Hello, how are you? So today in this video, I will discuss the things that you want to avoid here in Redbubble. Because here in Redbubble, you can upload any amount of designs. You can upload up to 100,000, 300, it's up to you. So they have a daily limit of 60 downloads, 60 uploads per day. Okay. So, so like what happened to my first account, I want to prioritize quality. But during that time, I'm doing repeated designs like this retro sunset. So uh, so like this style. What you want to avoid? You can make one design with like this. But before like to me and some other sellers here, they created one retro sunset style, same colors. Then we are just replacing the silhouette image here for any animals, players, sports like that. And Redbubble doesn't like that. Any repeated designs, they don't like. So like this, eat, sleep. So this is design. So you will see lots of this similar design. Eat, sleep, repeat, camp, fishing, hiking. So most people like me before are doing these repeated designs similar so this is the one that you want to avoid here in Redbubble, because in Redbubble they it's like spamming for the Redbubble, spamming designs. So you can upload here not every time, and if you will want to make like this again, you need to make it in another design. So like this, you can make like this design for other niche, like this in other. Do not make it always similar designs. They don't like any repeated designs. Make it different style every time. Okay? Because in Redbubble, they have account tier. This will affect your income. This top three tier. This is Redbubble Pro Premium Standard. So most of the upload seller here are in this category, especially those who make repeated designs. If you make repeated designs, you will get a low traffic to your store, and they will shadow ban your account. So maybe you have uploaded 5,000 like that. So like my account, more than 3,000 designs I uploaded in my first Redbubble account. 3,400 I think. But I'm getting very less traffic. Before I'm getting thousand per month visitors in my store in Redbubble account. After they made an update here in Redbubble to because they want to reduce the spammer of repeated designs. So they gave me very less traffic, less than 50. Sometimes I'm getting 20 visitors only per month in my store. And your income will be very less because compared to Premium and Redbubble Pro. So now my other account now, I make another account in Redbubble. And I just uploaded the quality designs without any repeated. Even very simple designs, as long as it's not repeated. Maybe you will upload here 10 designs or 20 designs. Then Redbubble will email you maybe 1 to 2 weeks. If they see your designs, then maybe try to upload 10 to 20 designs first. I guarantee you, if there's no repeated designs, there's no trademark, they will put your account here in the Redbubble Premium. So you will get a double profit compared to the standard. And you will get more traffic because they will introduce your account to the marketplace. Here, your account will be shadow banned. Even if you search on Google your designs, it will not show because they will shadow ban your account. It's not searchable. The only way you can get your designs to show in public is to market in Pinterest. Maybe you have Facebook page or Instagram, TikTok account. You need to market your account if you have a standard Redbubble standard, especially if your account will be shadow banned. So here, this is from Ryan Hogg, popular print on demand. I learned from here. So if you have account in Redbubble, sometimes you will notice you will not get any traffic for the month. Just type your account here and click here. Am I shadow banned? Like that. So you will know if your Google, if it will not show up in the Google, any of your designs, if it will not show up in the Google. So from this website, ryanhogg.com shadow banned, you can check if your account is shadow banned in Redbubble. So it means you are here and you need to market your designs, or you can try to create another. Now the other thing that you want to avoid here, for example, for me, I make another account. What happened is I deleted some of my designs here and transfer to my new account, which is in the Redbubble Premium. When I do this, they immediately banned my account. So they trace this. They think that I'm stealing the design. So they immediately banned my account here in Redbubble. That's why I made another third account. In the third account, I did not use the previously uploaded designs here and uploaded to my third account now. Because my second account was banned from uploading the old design to here. So that's the number 2. Do not re-upload from your previous design. They can immediately check that. Maybe they have AI to check this one. So you can check your account is shadow banned here in Redbubble. Now this is the important Redbubble. When you're tagging, if you're uploading, example here, you need to put tags and a title, description. So Redbubble will have a system that will automatically detect any copyright or trademark. So this is where I'm checking the trademark words that I'm using. So it's a government from American government, USPTO. So here, trademark check. For example, you want to use live on. For example, you don't know this. You have a design. Then you put here live on. Search. I will uncheck the dead. Sometimes here, USPTO, you will not see the word live on. No, then sometimes you will think, oh, it's safe to use. I will use it in the design here, the Amazon. Sometimes you need to check twice. So you need to check here copyright system, in the copyrighted government, any trademark. Then you also check on Google because sometimes it is like this. It's a title, it's a movie. I think the TV show. Sometimes it is lyrics, song lyrics parts. Because sometimes you will see here bestseller. They have quotes, funny quotes. So sometimes I recreate that design because I check here. Oh, it's safe to use. But sometimes here you will see in the part of the lyrics, song lyrics. So this Redbubble can detect that one and you will get a warning. They will remove the design automatically and you will get a warning. If you do that many times with the warning, they will ban your account here. They terminate your account. So that's why you need to check here. Trademark in Google. Google check a part of movies, songs, lyrics like that. Or maybe sometimes other online businesses, other businesses, but they did not trademark here. Especially in US businesses, Western businesses. So avoid that one. That's how you will get in the premium category. Upload the quality designs, no repeated, and you always check this trademark. Okay, I hope you become successful here. So my recommend is try to upload. For me, that's my goal also. First, your goal is to upload 100. After that, try to reach 500, then 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 more. The more the better. So some Filipino here have around 50,000 designs. They're getting like passive income, more than $1,000 a month. Okay, bye.